So today I'm going to show you how to remove the password on Samsung Galaxy S22 if you have forgotten the password. So the first step we need to do is to turn the phone off, if the phone allows us to do so. So we'll just try power off, but we cannot do that. So in this case we need to connect a USB Type-C from computer, laptop, whatever, to our phone. So now we need to hold this 3 button together, 1, 2, 3. So we'll keep this 2 button, volume up and power on. When the Galaxy comes up, we remove all our hands. So now we don't need the lead anymore. Can disconnect from computer. So here's the options. By pressing the volume down, we can screw down what it says: wipe data, factory reset, and factory reset, confirm it. As you can see, all user data will be wiped. So press the power. There you go, that's done. So press power again to reboot the phone. So once phone rebooted, take a bit time. Yes, phone loaded and the password been removed, as you can see. So we need to set up our phone. We just skip. Okay, so if you previously have Google account on, or if previously Google account been logged into the phone, you cannot skip the Wi-Fi, so you must connect to the Wi-Fi. So you will be able to type your Google account again. If you have no Google account on, then you can skip. Just tap on escape and continue, follow the steps. So we just skip it for now and it's finished. Yes, so the password been removed and there's no password, but please make sure you remove your SIM card, memory card, before you do this action. And you have to remember that if your Google account is logged in, you need to remember your Google account, your Gmail, and your password. Hope this helped. Thank you.